everybody!
It's time to learn how to dance just like us.
And unlock another ice-cold move that'll keep you flowing to the groove.
With Ready, Set, Dance!
This move is called Raise the Roof. Let's learn it. First, push your hands way up high in the sky, then at a bounce. Another brilliant thing about this move is you can go in any direction. Now you give it a go. Ready, set, dance! That's it, you're raising the roof. Woohoo! Hey, 12, check out this sweet dance move.
That twist is brilliant.
Is that what it's called? A twist 12?
It's not a twist twirl, it's just a twist.
That's what I said. It's a twist 12. Or did I say 12 twist? Or was it twirly twisty 12 what? You better check out how the kid crew break it down.
This move is called the sticky feet. Let's learn it. First, twist your feet from side to side and don't forget to move your arms as well. The next part of the move is all about getting unstuck and balancing on one foot. Like this. Now you give it a go. Ready, set, dance! That's it! You're doing the sticky feet! Woohoo!
12, check this out. I'm working on a mouth-watering move. Mwah.
That's cool, Freeze, but I feel like this move has more flavour.
Fresh, but this one's still good.
But what if I do it like this, though?
Watch me do it like this.
But check this out.
This move is so cool.
But watch me do it like this. Maybe we should see how the kid crew break it down.
These moves are called the Meatball and Spaghetti. Let's learn them. For the Meatball, you need to roll your arms in a forward motion. The next bit is adding a move side to side, like this.
For the Spaghetti, you need to wave one of your arms across the front of your body like this. You can also add these moves together to make a delicious combination. Start with the Meatball, then add the Spaghetti. Now you give it a go. Ready, set, dance!
When you put it all together, meatballs and spaghetti.
That's it! You're doing the Meatballs and Spaghetti. Woohoo! Hey, Freeze, check this out. I'm practicing a toe-tapping, back-slapping, hooting-tooting move.
Yeehaw! That's some hill-slinging, tippity-hippity tooting move.
Nailed it! Let's check out how the kid crew break it down. This move is called the heel together. Let's learn it. Start with your feet together. Then put your heel out in front and make a tap sound. Then bring your feet back together. Now try your other leg. Put your heel out in front and make a tap sound. Now you give it a go. Ready, set, dance! That's it! You're doing the heel together. Yeehaw!
Hey, 12, check out my top rock.
That's not top rock, Freeze. This is top rock.
Yeah, ice cold. But that's rock and roll.
Oh. So, what's top rock?
Come on, the kid crew will break it down. This move is called the top rock. Let's learn it. Start with one foot. Take a step to the side, then cross your other foot in front. Now, try with the other foot. Make sure you bend your knees and swing your arms as you step. Now you give it a go. Ready, set, dance! That's it, you're doing it! Ice cold top rocking, everybody! Woohoo! Stamp, stamp, stamp,
Freeze!
stamp.
You're so loud.
What's that, 12? I can't hear you. I'm stamping so loudly.
Loud can be fun, but so can quiet.
Like this? Tiptoe, tiptoe.
Yeah, kinda.
What if we put them together to make a dance move?
What? You mean you could put loud and soft together? But how?
Let's check out the kid crew. They'll show us how. This move is called the Splashback stand. Let's learn it. Start by standing on one foot, then splash forward and splash back without letting your heel touch the floor. Finish off the step by stamping your whole foot down. Make sure you try the step on both legs. Now you give it a go. Ready, set, dance! That's it! You're doing the splashback stamp. Woohoo!
Check this out, Freeze. It's called the Boom Clap Pow.
Oh, I love this one. The boom clap wow.
It's the Boom Clap Pow.
Oh, I got it. Let me give it a go. Boom, clap, wow.
Wow. Let's see how the Kid Crew break it down. This move is called the Boom Clap Pow. Let's learn it. First, stand with your feet apart and slap your legs. Next, clap your hands. Then bring your feet together and put one hand in the air, superhero style. Now you give it a go. Ready, set, dance! That's it! You're doing the Boom Clap Pow perfectly!
Whoa! Did you see that, Twirl?
See what, Freeze?
Wow, there it goes again.
There goes what again?
Up here, Twirl. It's a shooting star.
Ooh!
It's really fast, so you have to watch closely. Pshoo.
Nope. Still nothing.
Kid Crew, show us how to break it down. This move is called the shooting star. Let's learn it. First, stand with your feet apart and place both hands on one knee. Then, shoot your arms across the sky one at a time until you get to the other side. Now add 2 bounces and go back the other way, just like a shooting star. Now you give it a go. Ready, set, dance! That's it! You're doing the shooting star! Woohoo!
Freeze! I can't follow along if you keep on changing the moves.
That's the whole point, Twirl. I'm freestyling, going wherever the beat takes me.
You mean I could do ballet or jazz? Or breakdance or hip-hop? Or choreography?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Chill. Let the beat tell you what to do. Check out the Kid Crew. They'll show you how it's done. This move is called freestyling. Let's learn it. First, you listen to the beat. Then, use your imagination and the music to guide you. You could do something high, low, fast, or slow. It could be a ballet move or it could be hip-hop. There's no wrong step when it's your step. Now you give it a go. Ready, set, dance! That's it! You're freestyling! Woohoo!
Now you are dance school.
Cool! Keep practicing!
And keep perfecting. Because you never know where the magic of dance can take you.
Thanks for watching. For lots more great songs, subscribe to Ready, Set, Dance.